wet Daddy's sweep. Special delivery for you, Andy. Come and get it.
Oh, boy, it must be my magic set. Whoopee! Look, Mr. Whiffletree, a magic wand. Read it. What does it say?
Wave the magic wand and sail the magic wood alakazam. That's what it says, but I don't believe it.
Alakazam. It works. It works. Let's try it on Daddy. Alakazam.
My.
Daddy,
Andy, please.
look at my magic wand, Daddy.
There ain't no such thing as magic.
Are you sure, Daddy?
Yes, I'm sure. Now wet me sweep.
Well, Daddy, what's holding you up there?
Help! Wet me down! Help me! Please, Andy, do something! Wet me down! Oh, please!
All right, Daddy. Alakazam.
Magic mask upon the wall. Am I not more powerful than all?
Andy Panda has a magic wand, and how? You're playing second fiddle now.
You mean he got more magic power than I's got?
The mask speaks only the truth.
I don't believe it.
Well, if you don't believe me, go see for yourself.
Okay. Take me to Andy Panda.
Now, do you believe in magic, Daddy?
No, it's just a twick. Dr. Livingstone, I presume?
No, me witch doctor. Who you?
Andy Panda.
Me got more magic than you.
Really?
Yeah, really.
Okay, boogeyman, watch me. Alakazam.
Help! Let me out! Andy, do something!
I got it. Alabama.
Alakazam.
I've had just about enough of this magic business. He sure fixed this magic wand. Guess that's the end of old Alakazam. Andy, get me out of here. Do something. Hurry. Mama, come